All right, guys, let's get this party going. It's a lot of detail going on right there in that corner right there. It's a lot of detail that's going on right here on this wall right here. Right here. You guys want to know the details? Y'all know what to do. Go to the members only channel. All right, guys, this is kind of what we're looking like. Just kind of walking through, guys. I try to, like, on the beginning framing and stuff like that, guys, I try to get on over here real quick. You know, that way, if there's anything that's not quite right, I don't want these guys to get so far gone until the corrections become very complicated. So this is what we're looking like, guys. This looks good. Everybody good? Questions? Nails, what size? 3 inch? Okay, I'll go get some. I'll go get it in just a minute. Yeah. Wanna keep those nails coming, but we're gonna need some nails. So I'm gonna go by. I got a little time this morning. I can stop by and get some nails, and then I gotta go to class. But this is what we're looking like now, guys. This, you guys can kind of see things are starting to happen. It's starting to kind of sort of look like a house a little bit. Like I said, and I'm just walking around, and you know, there's some more items that you're gonna have to do once to get everything done. Once you get everything framed up, there's a couple more items on my checklist that I gotta do to make sure those things get done. But I'm just kind of walking through, making sure everything looks good. Or I'm here to make sure that if they got any questions, man, let's go ahead and deal with it. And like I said, at this point in time, guys, things are very critical. Questions, making sure we're on the same page on how framing is going to be. Because once you get a lot of that framing out the way, guys, you can't undo it. Okay? So that's why I'm here. And I still got to get this guy to come on in here and get this right here. I can't get him to answer the phone, man. This is where your welding come in at, guys. You get welders. Guys, welders can make, welders, this is what welders do right here. They put my porch pan on, make this kind of safe. We can go ahead and get that on there. This is kind of what you want to look like. I got to make a run to Lowe's or Home Depot. That's what I'm headed to next. Ugh, you guys know how I feel about those guys, man. Look, when you're going to get nails, it's right on the, you're going to get nails, it's right on the back side of the entrance. So you can just go on in there and get them right quick, like get on up out of there. Well, you don't have to talk to, you don't have to ask nobody questions. So look at this right here. This right here looks like a shower right here, guys. Got your little step over right here. We had to drop that down one more plate. It's too high. No. It's some pretty good looking lumber, man. Jeez, yeah, this lumber looks really straight. I hope these guys didn't. That's some pretty straight lumber, man. Looks really good. Okay. All right, guys. If you guys want to know you want to get the me turning this thing around and getting some of the solid content, man. You guys join me on the members channel. You guys have a good one.